I'm Julie from the Baby Cubby, and today we're so excited to unbox the new Doona Gold Liki Trike. This is their limited edition version, which we're super excited about. Right off of the gate, the packaging is beautiful on the box. You see all the gold, even their logo is in gold, and so it just makes you excited to open up what's inside. So let's just get right into it. All right, so right out of the box, you can see that the trike comes in its travel bag, which is super awesome. The trike itself is just very compact, which makes it nice to take on the go and with you places, and you don't have to be carrying this really big thing around. And even on the travel bag, you can see that their logo is in gold. It all kind of matches together. Okay, so a couple of accessories that you're gonna get right out of the box too. It just comes with the handle separately, so that's just something you'll attach later. But it also attaches to the travel bag itself, so it's not something you have to carry around all alone. And then as you can see on the handle, it's got this super pretty gold detailing that matches the seat. And so that's a really fun new addition that they did with the gold version. And then also in the box, you're gonna get this accessory for trike mode. It just helps to shorten the back of the seat, so that's something that they give you separately along with it. Now let's take the trike out of its carry case. All right, already opening it, you can see this super pretty gold splatter paint color, which just makes you excited. It also comes with a cup holder too, which is really convenient, just something you attach to the front. All right, so as I'm putting this canopy up, you can see it's got the super pretty gold splatter color on it. And then with the handlebar added, it's just gonna be this super unique color. And then even on the front, it has the Doona logo in gold too, which is beautiful. Okay, so already with that handlebar attached, it just goes together so well with the Doona trike. It's just something that's gonna be fun to push around. It's a different, really unique color, and I love that about this new limited edition version. And then this just attaches to the front. Again, super convenient and something that's really nice so you can take things on the go. We are so excited about this new gold color for the Doona Liki Trike. Some things that are great about the Liki Trike is it's so compact and easy to take with you on the go. And it also has 2 different modes so that your child can use it when they're littler with you, and then they can grow and use it on their own, which is just such an amazing thing to have, and it's really gonna last you your time of having it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to keep an eye out for our demo videos we're gonna have on this Liki Trike, and we will see you next time.